Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be looking at factorizing linear and quadratic expressions. Okay, so that's the purpose of today's video. Okay, so we've got an example 1 on here. So we've got factorize 2x plus 8. So what this means is that we have an expression and we want to put this into a bracket. Okay, so 2x plus 8 actually. Okay, so I can take a 2 out as a factor. Okay, because 2 is a factor of 2 and 8. Okay, so 2 times x gives me 2x, and then 2 times positive 4 gives me the positive 8. So the highest common factor between 2x and 8 is 2. Okay, so that's my answer to that bracket. Okay. Next example, factorize 5x minus 10. So again, single bracket, okay? So we're going to take out a 5 because that's the highest common factor. Then we're going to have x minus 2 because 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 2 is going to be negative 10. Okay? Right, and one more example for the linear, and then we're going to look at some quadratic. Factorize 6x plus 8. Okay, so this one's slightly harder because we have to think about what number goes into both 6 and 8. And 2's a number that goes both into 6 and 8. Okay, so 2 times something is 6x. 2 times 3x gives you 6x. And 2 times positive 4 gives me positive 8. Okay, right, the next 2 examples are actually quadratic. Okay, so example 4 and example 5. So this one's factorize x squared plus 5x plus 6. So this one we're going to need essentially like a double bracket because we cannot do a single one because there are no terms that are like in these 3 terms. Okay, so to make x squared I'm going to do x and x. Okay, I'm going to put a plus and a plus here because a positive times a positive gives me a positive there, and we've got a positive there actually. Okay, so we want 2 numbers that add to make positive 5 and multiplied to make positive 6. Okay, that is going to be plus 2 and plus 3 because 2 add 3 is going to be 5. 2 times 3 is going to be 6. Okay, final example, x squared minus 12x minus 20 plus 20. Okay, so we've got a minus and a positive there. We're going to have x minus. So 2 numbers that add to make minus 12. Okay, and multiplied to make positive 20. Okay, so it's going to be minus 2 and 10. Because minus 2 minus 10 is minus 12. Minus 2 times minus 10 is going to give you positive 20. Okay, so if you're unsure where these came from, you want to look at the factors of 20. Okay, so you write down all the factors of 20. Okay, then find a pair that will add to give me 12. Okay, so obviously it's going to be negative 12 actually. Okay, so it's going to be a minus and a minus. Okay, because a negative times a negative gives me a positive, and a negative add a negative will give me a negative, yeah, as a sum. Okay, so it's minus 2 minus 10, which is minus 12. Okay, and similarly here, okay, 2x add 3x is going to be 5x. 2 times 3 is positive 6. Okay, so that's how we factorize quadratics. So the idea is that we look at the end number and write down all the possible factors of that number. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe and watch out for some more videos.